Let's be very clear, it's not the opposition that made the claim that the rental income of RS REIT is going to go up by 25% as a result of the changes that you and your government have made. It is IRES REIT that made that claim, Taoiseach. Do you accept that? And your only defence in this, Taoiseach, seems to be that not every renter is going to be affected immediately. Do you not realise that a 25% increase in your rent, if it's this year or next year or the year after, is completely unmanageable for the vast bulk of renters? Taoiseach, how do you think people are going to be able to pay this increase? Do you not understand that they're already struggling to make ends meet and to pay their bills? You've admitted this week that you got it completely wrong on SNAs. Will you admit that you've got it completely wrong in terms of these changes that are a gift to corporate landlords? To put this in context, RS REIT last year made a profit of almost €50 million. Taoiseach, do you not understand that the changes are going to cause even more hardship for renters and for families, putting them under more pressure? Do you not understand it will push more and more people into homelessness, that we already have record homelessness, already a record number of children who are homeless, and shamefully a record number of pensioners who are homeless? And this is going to make it even worse. By níosmó agus níosmó daoine gan teach. Taoiseach, earlier this week, the state's biggest landlord, RS REIT, that we're talking about, announced that it's going to buy up an entire apartment block in Naas. This block, with 77 apartments, was already under construction. They are not building anything new, they are not increasing supply. Individuals and families who are hoping to buy one of these apartments and homes when the construction was completed now are being left disappointed. RS REIT are doing this because of your government policy. You refuse to ban corporate landlords and investment funds from bulk buying apartments. Now, by letting rents rip, you've opened the floodgates. These corporate landlords are going to snap up more and more homes. People work so hard to support their families and to get a place of their own. Now, instead of saving to buy a home, they're handing over their wages to these giant landlords. Taoiseach, are you so blinded by your craven ideology of giving these corporate landlords whatever they want and ask for that you cannot see the damage that you are doing? Renters in Ireland who are already paying some of the highest rents in Europe are now going to be fleeced even more. Taoiseach, you admitted you got it completely wrong on SNAs. Will you now admit you've got it completely wrong on letting rents rip, and will you reverse your decision on this?